How to log into StarMaker app. 1. Open the StarMaker application. You can choose one or two. 2. Select Get Started. 3. Select Continue with Google. 4. Enter your date, month and year of birth. 5. Select Save. 6. Choose your gender. 7. Select Save. 8. Select Confirm. Success, you have logged in. Don't forget to like and subscribe.